Hi, welcome. In this course we will see speaking English with present tenses. Let's go. Four present tenses in English. 1. Present simple. 2. Present continuous. 3. Present perfect simple. 4. Present perfect continuous. In this video, we are going to see simple present. One. Present simple. When to use it. For habits. Example: Tom does sport every day. For general truths. Example: the earth revolves around the sun. For instructions. Example: you take the number 2 bus to London. For fixed arrangements. Example: the Olympic Games will occur in Paris next July. For states. Example: this house is beautiful. For emotions. Example: she likes dogs. For opinions. Example: I think this restaurant is good. 2. Present simple form. Form 1. Add s to the verb base for he, she, it. Example: to play. He always plays outside. Work works. Play plays. Come comes. Eat eats. Bring brings. Kick kicks. Form 2. Add s to the verb base for he, she, it. Examples: verbs ending in s, ch, x, shish, z, o. To watch. He watches TV every afternoon. To fix. Mike generally fixes the issue. To go. The student goes to his friend to study. To wash. Laura washes her car on Fridays. To buzz. The doorbell always buzzes strongly. To confess. She usually confesses her errors. Form 3. Add ies to the verb base for he, she, it. To carry. Y. To be replaced by I. And add s. Example: my brother usually carries my bag. P.S. Y is replaced by I because it's preceded by a consonant. Sentence form with simple present. Affirmative: I, you, we, they go. He, she, it goes. Negative: I, you, we, they do not, don't go. He, she, it does not, doesn't, goes. Interrogative: do I, you, we, they go? Does he, she, it go? 3 top verbs with simple present: to be, to have and to do. Adverbs of frequency used with simple present: always, usually, never, sometimes, often, habitually, occasionally, once. Accepted with be, the adverb comes always before the verb. You are never late. You never call me. I usually sing for him. Practice makes perfect. Class the sentences depending on their use, habit, fixed arrangement, etc. I like the piano. Laura lives in New Jersey. We have a meeting next Friday. Americans don't think like British. Put the verb in the correct form. She, to drive, to work every day. I, not, to think, My friend is right. You. To watch a lot of TV. Japanese food. To be delicious.